that this bird can fly here in the flowers. You glide. Man, I love this thing that it can actually glide. The more I fly, the more I'm getting hooked to it. Oh, the bird attack! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome to the outdoor flights of MetaFly from Bionic Bird. This is a biometric drone. That means a flapping wing, a little bird with lots of cool features. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box, and then you can see how it flies outdoors. You can fly it outdoors or indoors. It's all up to you. It flies both outdoors and indoors, and it is absolutely so much fun. Trust me on that. So let's get to it. So let's get this a flight and have fun with it. Alright, so this is the MetaFly remote controlled flying creature. Says experienced winged flight, and also says that it's an upgrade kit. This means there is a standard kit as well. This one is produced by Bionic Bird. It's a biometric drone. It says on the box right here, it's time to forget about drones and experience flight like never before. Well, I have experienced flight like never before with that Gogo Bird Eagle, which is a big one, but this one, they claim that this can fly indoors as well. On the back of the box, it gives you feature wireless range of 100 meter, 320 feet, flies indoor easily. Yeah, seriously, they said that. It speeds up to 18 km per hour or 11 miles per hour. They wrote PMH. It should be MPH. 100% charge in 12 minutes. Crash proof thanks to elastic hemlet legs and wings. Can take off from ground. Ooh, I didn't see that. This is like kind of little landing gear right here. Awesome. Okay, only 19 centimeter length. I'm not sure what is a standard upgrade kit, but it just shows that the upgrade kit has these colored profiles like wings and stuff like that. It also has a power bank in it. Nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what's inside, huh? This is what I received in my box. So I have these, probably this is what is upgrade kit about, because I have the colored profile wings. Okay, they're like very fine, thin material, man. I'm scared to touch them even. Okay, this is this. Then inside we have a user manual, which is I'm going to study, and we have sticks for the radio control, I believe, a USB cable, and kind of battery charging. Yes, this should be the battery charging or charger. Okay, a small screwdriver. Then we have a radio control. Hey, where's the bird, man? Hold on. Then we have a power bank. Nice. 1500 milliamp, 3.7 volt. That's nice. I gotta charge. Oh, hold on. There's one thing, and I believe this is the bird, huh? Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. What a little bird right here. There you go. So this is all I got in my box. It's raining a little, mild winds, but I believe the MetaFly should fly. Still some wind, so I put the tail down to number 4. There's some water on the wings. I don't know how it will affect the flight, because it might make the wings heavy. Oh, trash can. Why do my RCs love trash cans so much? I was able to dodge those trees. Look at that. In the wings, it's a little difficult to control. You have to control the rudder a lot, but once you get the hang of it, look, it's gliding. Once you get the hang of it, you know how to control it. It's really very, very easy to fly. Okay, let me go to this little open area so that I don't have to dodge trees more. I have flowers and everything, matches the bird, you know. That this bird can fly here in the flowers. Oh, there comes another birdie. Look at that. Hey, can you make friend with my little MetaFly? Sweet, man. Look how beautiful it flies. I love it. You know, kids are definitely gonna love it because this is very, very easy to fly. It's easy to fly, easy to control. Oh, the bird attacked it. It actually attacked it this time. I saw that, man. I saw that. The bird says, I don't like you here, you robotic bird. Get the hell out of my place, my space. So we are violating the airspace of that bird right there. Glide. Man, I love this thing that it can actually glide. You know, that little eagle, go-go bird eagle cannot glide actually. But this one, look at that. You can stop flapping the wings, let it glide, and then take it out from there. Start flying again, flapping wings again. Look at that. That was a like nice quick dive there, huh? I'm learning to glide this thing. Look at that. That was nice. Man, this is a lot of fun. And definitely have a lot of flight time as well. Gliding! I love that! Circling around, dodging the tree. Battery is still going on. The bird comes again. Here goes the dogfight maybe again. Come on, birdie. I'm violating your airspace here. Circling around to see if the bird will come again or not. Here comes the birdie again. That bird is like, really, dude, you gotta take your bionic or biometric bird away from here. You beautiful. Well, it could have been beautiful landing if it was smooth, but hey, man, it glides. That's what I love about it. Okay, here we go, and let's see if the birdie will come again to attack us or not. Gliding. I think I need to set the wings balance because it always makes the right circles, which is good because I can like go hands-free with that. Nice dive. Uh-oh, landed in the flowers. Let me adjust the ballast a little bit. Adjust this ballast a little bit to the left. Uh-oh, winds are coming. But hey, let's just try it. Still flying. You don't want to flap wings too fast if you are trying to go against the wind, because it will just climb up in that case. That's what I have learned. Now it's much better control. It's not going right all the way. So balancing the wings is very easy on this. And then you can have much better flight. Uh-oh, sorry. I'm trying to learn to land it in hands actually, which shouldn't be a problem because it's such a little lightweight thingy. You can just turn off, just put the throttle to 0, let it glide in your hands. No, I didn't do that there. So flying again, coming against the wind, slow down. Ah, there's a butterfly there as well. Butterfly's like, you know, this thing looks like me, but bigger. But that bird is like, get the hell out of my airspace. Okay. Man, I'm surprised battery is still going on. I am surprised. There's a lot of flight time here. They say it's like 8 minutes or more, which is nice, man, because you don't get bored flying it. It's not noisy. It's kind of quiet. Wind is coming. Push, birdie. Push against the wind. Come on, MetaFly. You can do it. Come on, birdie. Push it. Okay, wings stopped and it landed. That means the battery is very low. Yeah, the blue LED is blinking and it's time to charge this bird. So it's so easy. Just turn it off. Put the bird on the radio. Just like this. Press the radio button, power button, turn it on, and the green LED will start blinking. That means the bird started to charge. So people, this is MetaFly Biometric Flapping Wing Bird, RC bird, and I can tell you, the more I fly, the more I'm getting hooked to it. It's really easy to fly and so much fun that you just can't stop flying it. You can fly it indoors, outdoors. I even managed to fly it in my room, you know, such a small living room. I managed to fly it there. And you know, flapping wings, it's just very natural, very realistic. So they are right if Bionic Bird company says that forget the drones, it's time for biometric drones or these flapping wing bird, RC bird drones. I agree to that because, you know, those drones, they're just getting boring, totally boring. This right here is totally on a different level of fun, and you're just gonna love it. Once you fly these flapping wing things, you're gonna get hooked to this. Thank you very much for watching this video. The links for this MetaFly from Bionic Birds are in video description. If you wanna get one, go ahead, check it out, and have fun with it. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all these new coolest toys and many more awesome videos coming your way soon. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.